Okay, today I'm going to show you how to remove a tie rod end. Now without the right tool, it's a really tricky job. I've got the right tool and I'm going to show you how. So I've prepared the car, I've safetied it, I have the handbrake on, it's up on jack stands, I'll put my glasses on. I've got the tool here which is called a tie rod end lifter ball joint separator. First of all, I've got to loosen the nut on top of the tie rod end. So we'll give that 5 or 6 turns, full turns. We won't take it all the way off. We're going to spray a little bit of lubricant onto the back of this separator. The next thing we have to do is slide the concave part of the separator between the boot and the tie rod end. It takes a little bit of pressure and it'll clunk into position. Now what I do is wind the bolt up against the top of the nut. I'll get the tool onto the end of the bolt and wind away clockwise until we hear the separation of the parts. There we have it, as easy as that. And continue to remove the nut. So once the nut's loose, we can just rotate it and take it all the way off. Then it's just a case of pushing the joint out. You might need to just give it a little bit of a tap and a wiggle, and it'll fall out. That's how you remove a tie rod end. This tie rod end lifter and ball joint separator is just brilliant. Safe, easy to use, and it'll save you lots of time. It's a beauty.